Hi, boys and girls. I miss you, and I hope that this finds you healthy and happy, doing your schoolwork with your packets or online, and occasionally reading a good book. Today, I'd like to share a book with you that I've read called The Magic School Bus Gets Cold Feet. There are a lot of stories in the Magic School Bus series, and they're fun and adventurous, and you learn some scientific facts from these stories also. In this story, the class pet, a lizard named Liz, comes up missing. Miss Frizzle and the class go on an adventure to locate their reptile. They turn their magic school bus into an alligator, another reptile. Through the story, we learn a lot of facts about cold-blooded animals and a lot of the differences between warm and cold-blooded animals. But hey, don't take my word for it. Check this book out yourself. I'm sure you can find it on many of the websites that are offering free ebooks for students, but also you can put in the search bar this title in YouTube and you can listen to the story. And hey, if you find out those differences, email them to Mrs. Burns and let her know what the differences are between warm and cold-blooded animals. Have a great day, and just know how much we all miss you.